Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Dad Bod 40, the channel where we ditch the excuses, grab our gear, and transform that dad bod into something we're proud of. If you're staring down that midlife spread thinking, I need to build some real muscle without stepping foot in a gym, this is for you. Today, we're breaking down Joe Rogan's epic kettlebell workout, the one that keeps him jacked and ready for anything. Rogan's a total legend, podcaster, comedian, UFC guy, and he's all about that practical, no BS strength. This routine, it's straightforward, intense, and perfect for your home setup. Garage, basement, or living room. No equipment overload, just a kettlebell and your determination. Let's dive in and start building that muscle. First things first, why kettlebells? They're like the Swiss Army knife of weights. Versatile, efficient, and they get the job done fast. Rogan loves them for full body workouts that build strength, power, and burn fat. We're talking moves that engage your whole body, core, back, legs, shoulders. Ideal for us dads who want to feel strong for playing with the kids, tackling yard work, or just having more energy at the end of the day. Rogan pulls from functional fitness pros like Pavel Tsatsouline, the kettlebell expert, but we're keeping it simple and effective for everyday guys. All right, grab your kettlebell. Rogan suggests a 35 to 53 pounder for intermediates, but start lighter if you're easing in. Better safe than sidelined. This is a 30 to 45 minute session, 3 to 4 times a week. Circuit style, keep moving, minimal rest for max results. Shoot for 3 to 4 rounds with 60 to 90 seconds between exercises. Stay hydrated, breathe deep, and let's crush it. Exercise 1, the kettlebell swing. Rogan's go-to for that explosive power. Feet shoulder width, kettlebell between your legs. Hinge at the hips, swing it back, then drive through your heels and snap those hips to swing it up to chest height. Squeeze your glutes at the top, 20 to 30 reps. This torches your posterior chain, back, legs, and core for serious muscle gains and fat loss. Next, goblet squats. Perfect for building those dad legs without fancy setups. Hold the kettlebell at your chest like a goblet. Feet wide, toes slightly out. Drop into a deep squat, keeping elbows inside your knees. Then power back up. 10 to 15 reps. Hits quads, hamstrings, and core. Great for everyday strength, like lifting groceries or chasing the little ones. Keep your chest up and eyes forward for solid form. Third, Turkish get-ups. This one's a game changer for total body control. Rogan swears by it. Start lying down, kettlebell pressed overhead in one hand. Roll to your elbow, then knee, then stand up tall, then reverse it smoothly. 5 reps per side. It's challenging, but it'll build shoulders, core stability, and that mental grit we dads need to power through the day. Fourth, kettlebell clean and press. Explosive and effective. Clean the bell from the ground to your shoulder, then press it overhead. 8 to 12 reps per side. Rogan uses this to sculpt those shoulders and get that functional power. Feel like a beast with every rep. Finally, farmer's carries. If you have 2 kettlebells, great. Otherwise, one heavy one works. Hold them at your sides and walk 30 to 50 steps with tall posture. Builds grip, traps, and endurance, like carrying all the kids' sports gear without breaking a sweat. There you have it. Finish with some quick stretches for hips and shoulders. Cool down and pat yourself on the back. You're investing in a stronger you. Stick with it for 4 to 6 weeks and you'll notice muscle popping, energy up, and that dad bod slimming down. Fuel it with solid eats, protein, veggies, and real food to keep things simple. If this fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe for more Dad Bod 40 tips, and comment below, what's your go-to home workout move? Let's build a community of dads getting stronger together. Share this with a friend who's in the same boat. We're all in this. Until next time, keep pushing, stay consistent, and let's get it.